In this video I am going to show you how to enable or disable Rise to Wake feature on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings, then scroll down for a bit and open up Display and Brightness. And here you can scroll down a little, and here you can find Rise to Wake feature. You can enable or disable it. While this feature is enabled, you can take your device in hand to turn on the screen. And if you disable that option and lock your screen, now you can take your device, change its position, but the screen will not turn on. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.